How to make six-pack abs in 1 month at home. Currently, the bodybuilding and sports movement is spreading and almost everyone wants to have a slim, toned body to confidently wear beautiful clothes. However, perhaps round 2 is the place that is most interested in many people. This is why you can see many places posting information about belly fat loss, fat burning. This story seems to just stop at burning fat, but after achieving this goal, what will you do? Is burning all fat is finished? That is when you need to think about muscles immediately, because when you exercise, you are also helping to burn fat. Muscle also helps to make your friend firmer and more beautiful. Then the abdominal muscles will not only tone, slim the waist for women, but also help you get a toned belly. Don't forget to subscribe to the Belly Fat Zone channel and press the bell to get valuable video. How to exercise six-pack abs to get the best results. Before we get started, we want you to read the article on how to lose belly fat first. This article is considered the most detailed today. Just read it carefully and you will guarantee 30% success. Normally, the process of burning fat and building muscle will go together to achieve 2 goals at the same time. Regardless of the goal method, make sure you go through the key steps below. 1. Nutrition. 2. Training methods. 3. Rest it. Part 1. Diet for beautiful six-pack abs. This first part is also crucial for you to achieve your goals. As long as you eat properly, you will surely be 60% successful. 1. Choose good carbs. The way to a man's heart is through the stomach, while the way to the six-pack abs is through the kitchen. If the diet is not right, then neither man nor woman abs will be. No matter which goal you are using, carbs must be avoided at all. You should read carefully what carbohydrate is to understand why it is so important. Not all carbs or starches are bad. It's white carbs, also known as fast-digesting starches, that you should avoid. Simply because it makes you hungry and easy to accumulate fat. Instead, you should take advantage of slow-digesting carbs because they contain a lot of fiber, and are digested very slowly, making your stomach full. 2. Add more protein. Carbs only play a role in providing energy, and protein will be the component determining muscle growth. Without protein, the body does not have enough nutrition. The vital principle of abdominal muscle development is filling enough protein every day. However, you need to read immediately how many grams of protein should bodybuilders eat per day. Next is to always remember carefully every 3 hours to take protein 1 time. This will help keep your muscles replenished with nutrients. Otherwise, the muscle will be easily lost. The advice for you is to include a variety of protein-rich food groups from plants to animals. In addition, you should choose to buy more whey milk types. It is an additional source of pure protein, which is quickly absorbed into the muscles and helps the abdominal muscles to develop better. 3. Don't eat processed foods. Absorb many calories from processed foods. Fast foods will make the body vulnerable to health loss due to lack of nutrients. These foods have lost a lot of nutrients before they reach you and only provide bad energy. During processing, people also add bad fats, lots of sugar. Most of these products have artificial sweeteners, artificial colors. These are the toxins. In general, all processed and packaged things are things you should minimize, but how to discard completely? Ideally, every day you should go to the market or supermarket by yourself to choose to buy fresh foods. This is a very nutritious food source. 4. Drink plenty of water. Surely you do not know, drinking plenty of water every day will help the body lose fat better thanks to its ability to release toxins and increase metabolism. Therefore, you should try to drink enough fluids every day. Note, we are not talking about drinking other drinks here. Fresh water cannot be counted here. 5. Eat healthy fats. Not all fats are bad. Monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats found in fish oils, avocados, are very healthy. Although eating more fat will increase calories, but if the fat will help preserve that health. Therefore, it's best to balance it. Part 2. Practice method. This is the next part you need to pay close attention to. For practice, we will divide it into 2 parts. 1. Cardio or HIIT exercise. Before diving in, you need to understand, Abdominal exercises absolutely cannot burn fat well, it is only responsible for muscle training. And fat-burning task must be for exercises cardio or HIIT. These are specially designed groups for high and high-intensity fat burning. HIIT can be considered as a variant of cardio. These exercises stimulate the heart to beat vigorously and increase fat burning into energy. Therefore, you need to get ready before training. Exercise at high intensity will easily shock you. There are actually many types of cardio such as skipping, cycling, swimming, jogging. 2. Six-pack ABS exercises. You note these exercises have many, so you just choose to practice accordingly. But absolutely no one forces you to do this exercise and no other exercise. Among the muscle groups, the ABS group has the most exercises. Abdominal crunches. Do push-ups and push-ups. Hanging leg raises. Cross ribs exercises. Lower abdomen, focus on this part by lifting your legs up, your upper body still. Lower abdominal exercises, hanging leg raises, decline bench reverse crunches, mountain climbers. Upper abdomen, focus on this part by keeping your lower body steady and pulling your upper body towards your lower body. Upper abdominal exercises, crunches, sit-ups, decline bench crunches, machine crunches. Intercostal muscle, this muscle runs across the abdominal wall. Hanging leg raises and twist. Some things you need to know about abdominal training. You don't have to do ABS every day. When you train other muscle groups like the legs and back, you indirectly train the ABS. That's why many people don't even need to spend time doing ABS. Many people, especially beginners, often ask whether to do abdominal exercises every day. The answer is no, because abdominal muscles need time to rest and develop. Abdominal exercises definitely cannot reduce belly fat. Only cardio can burn a lot of fat. And muscle training only helps the abdominal muscles develop. Therefore, never think that abdominal training alone is enough to help burn fat.
Thank you for watching the video. If you find it useful, please share it with the person who needs it and subscribe to the channel to get new useful information.